What do you have there, Maya?
My report card. I got an A+.
An A+? Oh, Maya, that's wonderful.
This is excellent work, sweetheart.
I studied so hard for this.
And it shows. You deserve to be proud.
You truly worked for this achievement.
Thank you. I'm so happy.
Come here. I have something for you.
Really? What is it?
Oh my goodness!
A laptop! A laptop!
You earned it with your dedication.
This is amazing. Thank you so much.
You worked hard. This is your reward.
I love it. Thank you both. That's so cool. Maybe I can get something too. Tom, do you want to see? It's really nice, Maya. I have my report card too.
Oh, Tom. Let's see yours.
I worked hard this time.
That's wonderful, Tom. AC?
How did he do?
Mostly C's.
Is that not good? It's not the same as Maya's grade, Tom. But I tried, Dad.
Did you? I'm not sure about that.
I really did try.
Tom, grades need real effort.
Do I get a gift too?
Yes, Tom. You do.
What's this? What's this? An alarm clock? It's just an alarm clock. That's nice, Tom. No, it's not.
Listen, Tom. This clock is important. You've been waking up late lately.
I don't wake up late.
You sleep through your alarm every day.
And you spend too much time gaming.
That's not true.
Your schoolwork shows it, Tom.
I study sometimes.
Sometimes isn't enough, sweetheart.
This clock helps you value time.
It's just a clock.
No, it's a lesson, Tom.
Real rewards come from real effort.
Maya got a laptop without this.
Maya earned her grade differently.
Because she's smarter.
No, because she worked differently.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, I understand. Everything is going to be different now. I don't like it, but I guess this is my life. Just an alarm clock. Mom and Dad love Maya more. I'm not good enough. Never will be.
Tom, do you want some juice?
No. Leave me alone.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
You got a laptop and I got a clock. Tom, that's not...
You're showing off with that laptop!
I'm not showing off. You're trying to make me feel worse.
Tom? That's not how we speak.
I don't care!
Tom! Come back here.
He's really hurting. Maybe we were too harsh with him.
We did what we thought was right.
The clock made him feel rejected.
It wasn't rejection, though.
Tom needs to learn about responsibility.
But he's so small still.
Life will be harder if he doesn't learn now.
They don't hate me. It wasn't a punishment.
I'm still not as smart as Maya. This is too hard. I can't do this.
Can I come in for a minute?
Go away, Maya.
Just 5 minutes, please? I want to talk to you.
Are you here to say you're smarter?
No, I'm here because you're my brother. You don't care about me. That's not true, Tom.
Everyone likes you more.
That's not fair to me or to you.
I hate how you're better at everything. I'm not better, Tom. I'm just older and learn differently. It's not easy for me either. But you get straight A's. Because I work hard every single day. You can do that too, Tom. I don't think I can. Yes, you can. I'll help you. Really? Really. Let's study together every day. Come on, let's start right now. This problem is the first step.
I don't understand the first step.
That's okay. Let's break it smaller.
Smaller? Yes. See? Just add these two numbers.
2 plus 3 equals 5. Exactly. You got it right. That was easy. Now we build from there.
There you go. Perfect posture.
The alarm is helping.
I just need to focus on this chapter. I know I can understand the material if I take my time and read carefully.
Now try this question alone. By myself? Yes. You're ready. Ready. I think.
I got it?
Show me. Tom, that's perfect.
Really?
Really? You did that all by yourself.
I finally understand. It feels incredible to be truly happy again.
An A? I got an A? Ah! Look what I got! I got an A+.
That's amazing! We are so proud of you!
Tom,
This is an A.
How do you feel?
I feel happy. Really happy.
You earned this, Tom. Ah.
I told you that you could do it.
Hmm?
I couldn't have done it without you.
I couldn't have done it without you. But you did the work, Tom.
We are so proud of you, sweetie.
Way to go, Tom. All that hard work paid off.
You did amazing.
Every morning I woke up early.
And you studied every day.
Even when it was hard.
That's what discipline looks like. Tom, I want to give you something.
What is it? A laptop. You earned this, Tom. You earned this, didn't I?
I did, didn't I? This is real success.
Thank you, Maya. You never gave up on me. I knew you could do it. Even when I was mean to you. Yes. Even then.
I'm sorry for speaking harshly.
I forgive you, Tom. This clock taught me something.
What did it teach you?
It taught me that time is important.
And what else?
That I can change myself if I work hard.
That's the real lesson, Tom.
The laptop is wonderful, but
But what?
I'm more proud of what I learned.
That's wisdom, Tom. Sibling, Tom.
I love our family so much. Me too, sweetheart.
This is the best hug ever.
I'm proud of you both.
Maya, you showed real compassion.
Tom did all the hard work. We did it together.
That's what family does. You, Audra.
Others. I worked 190. We help each other grow.
Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for trying so hard.
Look at that sunset. Everything just feels right.
It does. I couldn't be prouder of this family.
Me too.
Remember this feeling.
When things get hard again.
I will. I promise.
We're stronger together.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Our home truly is the safest place.
I love it here with all of you.